I don't get it. Reason would stand that if there is lag and the stream stops, there is a reason behind that. Come on, come on. Right now? But
hey, what's happening?
We're
in the training movie. I think it's going to teach us to use emergency magic reserves.
Wow, that was King Oberon and Queen Titania.
I didn't know fairies had a king and queen.
We haven't for a long time. This must be a really old movie.
Oh, we can't stay here. We've got to fix my TV. How do we get back?
I guess we'll just have to follow the instructions. Come on, Timmy.
The sky is crystal clear. It's like...
What am I supposed to be learning?
Let's start with the basics. Try moving around using the control stick.
And the C-stick orients my view of the world, right?
That's right. And a major
game is not
you
my
can talk to
thing.
me and Cosmo whenever you want.
Do not like
Shouldn't that be Cosmo and I?
Try talking to
fire
us,
off a bunch
sweetie.
of weapons.
Hi, Timmy.
Some weapons
It's
are like,
great
I'm in,
to talk,
super limited
so do it whenever you want.
Talk, talk, talk. Can a fairy get any peace? I'm only kidding. I love to talk. Look, it's Oberon. He used to be the fairy king. Let's get his autograph.
We'll try to help you when we can.
Something simpler
But
soon. I
sometimes
just
we
wonder if I
won't.
can get to the gas station.
Let's go talk to Oberon. He's that stuffy-looking fairy in the corner.
And Toby's a friendly dog?
Hello. My godparents tell me you used to be royalty.
Could you fairies bring your godchild into the training film?
No worries. It's out there now.
Great,
Hope
but
Toby comes
remember,
home soon.
this is Kate Star Pack.
As we can, I'm gonna talk over this because, yeah, I can. And let's go ahead and shoot. Wait, where is that? Oh, we need four. Oh,
What's
we
the
need to get.
coffee
Oh,
for?
I'm
The gas
wasting
station
so
was
much
closer
time.
now.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
like
All
welcoming
right.
the darkness.
So I think that's it. All you have to do is just shoot cards. Wow, this place is wrecked.
Belly
Got wrecked, boys.
is the best
So I
with
really
no
need to go
charms.
over here. Don't fall off at this point.
It's second best.
Anytime
the
it's
famous
actually
dog
nice, I can
is...
demonstrate what happens when you die. So, anytime I can, there's also diamonds here. You can find some diamonds here. And let's go ahead and use that right here. So right here. And that will take us to levitating world. That makes no sense.
Ah,
And that will basically take us to our next set of cards. I mean, card shape that we need, which are spears, I believe. No. Oh, and at least we didn't die that time. So that will go right here. And we will complete that area right there. I'm thinking my PlayStation, because again, I have played this on my PlayStation too. I'm used to controlling the map, so can we break this? Can we break? I said, can we break this? No, we cannot. Timmy's not.
here we go.
Every time he bounces, he's like, oh, no, you but I think that's it. Other than that, we need to go right over here. Let's knock down the cow. That would suck the cow, just like die. More cutscenes. Speaking of shopping, there is a store right up here. First, let me break these off barrels because you go barrel first. It's like barrel rolls, only better. Inside here, we have stores. Now we can't buy any cutscene.
Why aren't you shooting? Will you? Wooden scrap weapon. Can you like not swap weapons when you're in? Hate this game. Hate this game.
6, please.
My dad dreams about?
It's pretty weird, Timmy, but dreams tend to be weird.
Wow, that's pretty weird.
Dad's dreaming about a giant robot? What does that mean?
It means he likes giant robots.
Job in hand, boys. Waking your dad up, Timmy.
And how do we do that?
We need to shock him awake. I suggest wrecking his dream.
Destroy that robot?
Sure, it's not real. He can dream it again if he wants.
Okay, let's whip up some wishes and break Dad free of that strange TV magic.
Suit. But there's no one in it.
Oh, yeah, it's creepy. Let's make a wish. Sure, so last season.
No, just no.
Yeah, Magneto-Grenade.
Okay, it's yours now. Don't let the star panic you into falling. Got one. 2 more to go.
This star's explored. Starboard, get it? Lifeboats.
We'll have to find a way up to that star.
Two stars. One's an elevator, one mochaccino.
Okay, Timmy, we can grant a wish now.
I'm hungry. Wish for ribs and sauce.
Think functional, Cosmo. I wish I could jump high in the air.
There you go. A tried and true solution to vertical launch scenarios.
A pogo stick.
Not just any pogo stick, Clef. This is the mighty pogo stick of justice. All right, Susan.
Cool. What does that mean?
Now you can defy gravity even on the tallest buildings. Insurance not included.
Plus, we get to include an extra accessory with a Clef action figure.
Oh, I'm done. 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 Fuck this game. Fuck it.